In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can convert PDF to Word documents. So let's get started. So I have this PDF from here. This is an example one. So first thing is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word, okay? Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on a blank document. Then here we have to click on the File tab on the ribbon. Click on the File tab, which is the very first tab there. Now click on Open. Then click on Browse. Then browse for the destination as to where you have saved your PDF file. Click on Open. Now this will state this one. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document, which is what we wanted. So simply click on OK. So let's wait for this. Click on OK. And that's it. You have just easily converted your PDF into an editable Word document. So from here, you can now simply edit this. And if you want to save this, just click on the save icon from here and save it as to where you want it to be saved, like in the desktop, and then click on the save button. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.